In this video we are talking about how to use Google Colab. First of all we search Google Colab and click on here. It's loading. Cancel. Click on file. Click on the new notebook. Loading. It's loading. Let's write here pri print hello world and run it. We can see the output here. Thanks for watching.